Ready2Market is a value-added program to assist home sellers with getting their home ready for the real estate market. Brought to you by the Arbor Real Estate Associates. Serving the Ann Arbor community for over 20 years. Contact our team at 734-796-7000 today and join a free seminar or schedule a private consultation. Creating the perfect buyer experience for your home is the key. It is important that any property owner bringing a home to the market can set the stage to create an experience that the up-and-coming prospective purchaser cannot resist. The results? Your property will sell in the least amount of time, with the most solid contract terms, for the highest price. We all want exactly that, right? Our Ready2Market Plan for Sale team will, through seminars, on-site personal consultations, and technology communications, will assist you in creating a workable step-by-step action plan that will allow the property owner to complete the market-ready process in a systematic and organized fashion. The owner and the realtor then have a matched guide with timelines, task lists, and deadlines to keep the process on track. The dollars are in the details. Timing your market ready to be the crown jewel of the inventory at the time your home buyer needs that home is instrumental in getting top dollar for your property. This is why you must hire an experienced local professional. Hiring a local experienced real estate professional is very important. Data also drives dollars. Realtors that have had year-of-year experience know the timing, demographic and expectation of the flow of consumer traffic to your area. We are connected with local employers, city administrators, small business incubators, local education boards and committees. Experienced and community-minded real estate professionals are valuable resources. Selling your home may be your most valuable asset. Hiring a real estate professional also assists you with managing very binding contractual obligations, and can mitigate confusion and provide the resources to ensure you have a smooth transaction, tying off any loose strings, as our elders might say. Ready2Market Plan for Sale uses a vendor networking tool called homekeeper.com. You will have access to a complete set of area real estate board, Arbor, approved vendors to assist you with the tasks needed to get your property on the market, best fitting your needs. All of the professionals you need in the palm of your hand. Yes! We have an app for that. For all of you DIY sellers out there, it has been long understood that completing the projects that match your skill level can certainly net you more proceeds for your home sale. If the projects are completed in a timely manner, efficient order and quality results are produced. We can assist you in determining what can be done by the homeowners and when to leave it to the pros.